Good morning, students. Today we shall take up question number 3 of your board exam, short composition, and one basic part of it is invitation. It is very easy. Actually, invitations, they are of two types. You must have received so many invitations in the form of wedding cards, in the form of birthday cards, in the form of school function cards, etc., and so many others. So how they are composed, what precautions we are to keep in mind, we shall learn today. First of all, we are taking up formal invitation. What are formal invitations? Whom do we send them? Formal invitations are the formalities, basically. Formalities. For formality's sake, that we give to the person whom we want to invite on a particular occasion. Right? Like we are to send an invitation to our boss. We shall give him with all formality. Sir, this is the invitation and you are to come. This is what a formal invitation is. Formal invitation are of two types basically, printed and non-printed. Printed means printed card. Printed card, we shall take up first of all printed card today. I have given this format here of printed card. First of all, you are to make a box, right? A complete box. We shall start with the name of inviter. Inviter, person who is inviting, Mr. and Mrs. R.K. Sharma. You will write it exactly in the center of the box, centrally aligned. Mr. and Mrs. R.K. Sharma cordially invite you on the auspicious occasion of. You must be seeing that I have written these phrases exactly in the middle of the box. Exactly in the middle of the box. Means all the phrases, the language, it is to be composed in the center of the box. Mr. and Mrs. R.K. Sharma, first, cordially invite you, second line, on the auspicious occasion of, third line, then marriage. Marriage is the base, occasion. You are to give it a special space exactly in the center. Marriage of their son, Aman with Aarti. Right? And thereafter, the schedule is to be given. On 22nd April 2020, Wednesday at 8 p.m. Right? So all the schedules have been given. Then we are to mention the place where one is invited. That is called venue. Venue, Shubham Gardens, Sonipur. Right? And at the bottom, we shall write RSVP. RSVP actually is a French term which means the person who is at the receiving end. Right? You can write the telephone number of the inviter here, or you can write the email ID also. The person who is going to receive you at the marriage. So in this way, we can frame this invitation